Yes, student. Today we are solving a word problem. A solid cube of side 12 centimeter is cut into 8 cubes of equal volume. There is a cube and its each side are given 12 centimeter. It is cut into 8 cubes. It is cut into small cubes and the number of cubes are 8, and it is given that all of them have equal volume. It means they are of equal size. What will be the side of new cube? We have to find the side of these 8 cubes. Also find the ratio between their surface areas. We have to find the ratio between their surface area, means ratio of surface area between the original cube and the 8 new cubes. So let us start. There is a big solid cube. We have its each sides are 12 centimeter, 12 centimeter, 12 centimeter. It is cut into 8 cubes. So I am drawing the one cube. Such type of cube, how many cubes are there? 8. Let each side be A and A. A unit we have supposed. So since these 8 cubes are cut from this, so we can say volume of this bigger cube is equal to volume of these 8 new cubes. So this point you have to note. Let each side of new cubes equal to a centimeter. Since 8 cubes are cut from a solid cube, therefore volume of 8 cube is equal to volume of solid cube. Now we have to remember the formula for finding the volume of cube. Volume of cube means we have to multiply the measurement of length, breadth and height. It means A into A cube, side cube. So 8 into side cube is equal to, here also side cube. Now in case of new cube, what is the measurement of side? A cube. For the solid cube, what is the side given? 12 centimeters. So it is 12 cube. Since it is given A cube, we can write 8 in the form of cube also, 2 into 2 into 2. It means we can write it as 2A whole cube equal to 12 cube. Since on the both side we are finding cube, it means cube will be cancelled with cube. So this implies that 2A is equal to 12. Base are equal. So for finding the value of A, transpose to the another side, it will move to the division. So it will give 2, 6, 12. So each side of new cube, is equal to 6 centimeter. This is the first part of the question. In the second, we have to find the ratio between their surface area. It means we have to find the ratio of surface area of solid cube and the new cube. When we are taking the new cube, we have to take only one cube because the measurement of each is same. Now, ratio equal to surface area of solid cube divided by surface area of new cube. So surface area means total surface area we have to take. How many surface does a cube have? 6 surfaces, one at the bottom, one at the top, and 4 all around it. So total surfaces are 6. So we have to take the surface area of 6. Since all the faces are square, in case of cube all the faces are square, A cube is called a square box. So all faces are cube. So how many faces it has? 6 faces. And we know that the area of square is side square. So its surface area will be, total surface area will be 6 side square upon, in case of the new cube also it is 6 side square. So let's first put the value. For solid cube each side is 12 square. For new cube each side is a square. So 6 and 6 are cancelled. So it will be, it is equal to 12 square upon a square. The value of a we have just find out, it is equal to 6 square. So square we can take at one time, we can write it as 12 upon 6 whole square. So 6 to 12, it means 2 upon 1, this will give 2 upon 1 whole square. It means 2 into 2 4, and this will be 1. So 4 is to 1. So what is the ratio? 4 is to 1. This implies that the ratio between their surface area is 4 is to 1. At the numerator we have the number 4, and at the denominator we have the number 1. So this way we can solve the problem based on cube. Thank you.